Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we, Muhammad Hakim bin Muhammad Nazri, and number metric is 01 GDT 20F1121. Then Muhammad Shazrul bin Fazul Shah, and number metric is 01 GDT 20F2069. Next, Muhammad Izzat Sulhi bin Muhammad Sayuti, and their metric number is 01 GDT 20F1038. Today, we are going to present our PBT 2. The topic that we are going to present is about first train booking system.
Nama saya Shazrul, nombor metrik saya 01DDT20F2069. Today I'm going to talk about the Java code. So the first of all, import.java.io. So I write as bagian Shazrul because this is my section. And then first we need to create a class first. That class name was class login. And then we use buffer reader stdin, string login username, login email, and then we using boolean logged in member status, and then boolean user logged in false. And then next we see first run header. So if user doesn't log in, it ask user to log in, otherwise it will make the user go to the ticket parser. User is logged in. So next we do at system.out.println. Welcome to fast train booking system. So that was the booking system. So the system out will input y to continue. So the input other than y will stop the loop. If stdin readline equals ignore case, return if user continue from login, user login. So and then do ticket by new ticket stdin log in username, log in email, and then log in member status will true. And then provide white header. So the system.out.println will not for use for system.out.println. And then let's we see the user database get password. And then next we do as private int from limit public void user login throws io expectation. And then the class ticket.
Alright, thank you to Shazrul. Right, for this part, I will explain about the class ticket. Right, for the first, we need to make a class ticket. So we need to key in for we are using buffer reader that's have a string username, email, boolean, and boolean member. Right, and we need to make integer location, adult, and child. Alright, then that's we are using for a while loop that if the true, we need to print out for welcome back user, username, email, and member, and then the train ticket list. Right. After that, we're using for loop to make a train ticket database to get the source. And then we need to print out for the destination train ticket database, and then the price edit at the price dot get price price dot get price. Right, then we will print out for chosen location and the number from the list. Right. Alright, and then for the location for the integer parsing, that we need to make it in integer for the location. Alright, and then we need to print out how many adults for the number, and adults this we need to convert in on an integer, and that's we are using a buffer reader. Right, and then we need to print out for the how many sort the number, and then this is just same too. Right, and then we are using for the if loop. The train ticket database that's available need to plus for edit and chart, and then we break and we're using else loop, and then we print out for there's no ticket if the ticket was sold out, and then we're waiting to the red line, right? And then we'll print out further enter confirmation or update or cancel, right? For the confirmation we make a C, and U for update, any for cancel, right? Yes, we need to go to string confirmation. All right, this one we are using for if loop. That's need a confirmation for this part, right? We're using U for the update, and C for confirmation, and cancel for any. Uh, Print out for the shutting down. If the user make a selection, and then they are going to the exit. Alright, this part we're going to string payment method. On this part we are using the loop for we print out for the payment method. They are using credit card or cash. So if they are using credit card, they are need to choose C. For cash, they need to choose H, right? Then we are going if as again to make confirmation, right? Let's break. If they are have the wrong input, we make a while loop here. Let's have a location, username, email, member, payment method, total adult, and total charge, right? This we need to calculate it on it, right? Then we are using if loop again. Like remember, we need to print out. This is about the discount total price. If they have a membership, so they get for 5% for the discount, right? We need to plot for the total adult and the total charge for the ticket, right? And then this we are going to use else loop. That's the print for total price for the ticket, right? Print out for the member perks, get a free hotel. They are for 3 days, and a vacation apply now on our website vacation, right? We are going to print the receipt on the printout and waiting, right? And then we need to make a class for a price that have a static float based price for the added price that's have for 10.0f, right? So we're going get public static, and we are making for the class type price too, that we can extend it on the added price that we can call the data from the parents class, right? Let's have a chart get for 30% off. Let's have a discount here, and then we make like the price have a published effort get price, and base price is 0.3f. All right, that's they get for off price. All right, that's all for me for this part. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Irfan. I am going to continue. Next class, train ticket database. In this class, we implement array of index. At here, we declare destination, ticket count, and ticket price as an array. Then in the destination array, we have Kuala Lumpur, Georgetown, Kota Kinabalu, Langkawi, Kuching, Ipoh, Malacca, Johor Bahru, Pening, and Sandakan. Okay, the data type for destination is string, and it is declared as static. After that, static int ticket count. This is for the number of the ticket that available. So we have at here, first 8 for Kuala Lumpur, we have 8 available. Then Georgetown have 0 ticket that available. Kota Kinabalu 2, Langkawi 3, Kuching is 0, Ipoh is 5, Malacca is 6, Johor Bahru 9, Penang is 3, and Sanakan is 0. After that, ticket price. It is int for each data type, and it is declared as also as static. This is for the price for one of the ticket for each destination. 16 is for Kuala Lumpur. George, Georgetown is 20. 23 for Kota Kinabalu. Langkawi is 32. Kuching is 30. Ipoh is 53. Malacca is 64. Johor Bahru is 95. Penang is 36. And Sanakan is 20. Okay, in our class, which at here, we also have another method, which is get destination. And in the parameter, we receive index value, and the data type is int, because the index that we receive will be in int value. Then we declare return destination index to get the value of destination in index form. After that, public static int get ticket count int index. At this method, we also receive index value, then we return ticket count to receive ticket count value in the form of index. Then public static int get ticket price int index, then return ticket price index. At here we want to get the ticket price, and before the get ticket count is to get the number of ticket available. Meanwhile, for the get destination is for the place. After that, we implement a formula to 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 calculate the number of ticket available based on index after we order the ticket. So we do public static void subtract ticket int index and int subtract value for receive the value. Then ticket count index minus equal subtract value. So it will subtract the ticket count index with subtract value. After that, we have public static integer get size. This is to get the size of array. Then return destination dot length to calculate how many destination that available. Okay, and here there are 10 destination that available. Moreover, public static boolean check if ticket available int index and int ticket for the receive value. This method is to check if ticket is available. So we implement if statement, which the condition is ticket less than equal to ticket count index. Then we return true if the ticket that available is still available, so the output will be true. But if the ticket doesn't available, it will output false. Next, class user database. In this class, we declare user database and user database with the u is lowercase and it is static. Then We also implement array for username and the data type is string. We write monster, hero, buts, Nobita, Alice, Bob, Charlie, David, Emily, and Frank. Then email that we create is monster@gmail.com, myheroacademia@gmail.com, and adventurehm@gmail.com. Nobita@gmail.com, Alice email at gmail.com, Bob at gmail.com, Charlie at gmail.com, David at gmail.com, Emily at gmail.com, and Frank at gmail.com. And because of the account have a username and Gmail, for create a one account, we must also create a password. So we declare is password for each account. So for monster@gmail.com, the password is powerboy12, myheroacademia.com is izuku09, and adventurehm@gmail.com, the password is sin32. Nobi is for password for nobita@gmail.com. Alice123 is for alice@gmail.com. Bob 556 for bob@gmail.com. Charlie 789 for charlie@gmail.com. David123 for david@gmail.com. Emily 456 for emily@gmail.com, and Frank 789 for frank@gmail.com. Next we have Boolean member status. Okay, the Boolean is to decide whether the status is true or false. This is to determine whether the holder of the account is a member or not. So we declare it based on the account that available, but it's gonna be whether true or false only. Then we have public static int get indexed by username string user to receive user, and the data type is string. Int index equal to -1 to do increment for index. When we do the for loop, then we implement for loop, and the condition is string colon username index increment, and in it we have if statement that string dot equals user break, then we return index to get the value of index. After that, we have public static string get username int index for the receive of value of index, then return username. This is to get username. Then public static string get password int index return password index to get password by refer to the index. Then public static string gmail get gmail int index return email index, also to get the email by referring to the index. Okay, next, it is a bit different, but it's also for a array, which is it is a get access method to return username dot length. After that, public static boolean get member status int index return member status index. After that, public static boolean check if username exists. This is to check whether the username that we insert in the user input is exist or not. So we do for statement, and the condition is string username, and in it we also have if statement. If string dot equals user return true. Then return false if the username doesn't exist. Okay, then public static boolean check if password valid, string user and string pass to receive user and pass to check whether the user and password, which is the user stand for username and pass stand for password, is available or not for the account that already been created. So int index equal to -1. Then for string username index increment if string dot equals user break. So it will stop after the receive value for username. Then if password index dot equals pass return true if the password is true and false for the wrong password that was input. That's only for our code. So I am going to proceed with to run the code. Last but not least, I am going to run our coding. But before that, we are going to compile first our Java file. Okay, the Java file that we are going to compile is account checker. Okay, I already compiled the file, so I just need to declare Java account checker only. The .java is extra, but it also can be used for run the file. So not for use of the system. This is all the account that was already been signed in, which we have a 10 account. So I am going to use one account. The account that I am going to use is Nobita, which is the number 4. So I am going to continue. So the username is Nobita and its password is Nobi. Okay. Username is Nobita. Email is nobita@gmail.com. And the member is true. The member is true means that Nobita is a member for the train ticket system. So I am going to choose the destination. The destination that I am going to choose is Ipoh. So I need to insert from the list 6. How many adult that I want to insert? I will choose 2. Child is 5. There's no ticket left waiting. So I am going to do again to choose the location. First, I am going to proceed with 7, Malacca. How many adult? 2. Child is 5. There also no ticket left. So I am going to choose the next one. I am going to choose Johor Bahru. So the list that I need to insert is 8. And adult is 2. Child is 5. So, okay. But before that, I am going to explain the C for confirm, U for update, and any for cancel. At here, after we already confirm of the data that we insert, we just need to insert C. Then it will proceed with the data. But if you want to update, we just need to click U or insert U. But if we use any alphabet except C and U, it will cancel the book. So I am going to confirm. Okay, the payment method, I am going to pay it by credit card. So you need to wait for a while. Okay, after that, the system will print a receipt. On this receipt, it will state location, Johor Bahru. Username is Nobita. Email is nobita@gmail.com. Member is true. Payment method C, which is for credit card. And we have the total added price and total chart price. Then total price um, that was get by adult plus child, which is total of them. Okay, because of the member privilege, we got 5% discount. So the final price is RM 393.3 cent. Okay, member also get a perk free hotel for 3 days in every vacation. Apply now at our website vacation.com. Okay, next I am going to choose the next location. So I am going to choose Kuala Lumpur. How many adult? One. Child is two. So I want to confirm. Payment method I want to use is cash. Okay. Okay. Then it will print receipt. Okay. And the last one, if we doesn't want to choose any destination and we want to exit, we just need to pick any destination. And we just cancel. So it will shutting down. So we are going to end our presentation. I am going to show you something amazing. Okay. First, I am going to run our file again, our Java file. Okay. Then as usual, we continue to start the system. Okay. The username I am going to use is Nobita. And for the password, I am going to insert the password wrong for 3 times. So I am going to test it and see what happened. And the password is Joe. Wrong password. So continue again. Username is Nobita. And its password is Q. Wrong password. And last one, Nobita. And for the password is OP23. Wrong password. So I want to do again. So I continue. Then it will, we need to wait for 10 seconds. This is the timer delay concept that we implement in our coding for 3 times for username or password that we insert. If it wrong, it gonna be a 10-second delay to proceed with the next username or password that can be inserted. That's only from our group. Thank you.